Before even starting to install a Concrete Mat Xpress, some conditions must be present. Obviously, the ground must be leveled. The concrete slab must be insulated with a rigid insulation. The insulation must have a minimum grade of R10 or even more according to local regulations. Generally, the climate zone will determine the requirements. 2 inches of insulation can usually be used as an efficient vapor barrier when the joints are taped with tuck tape. Otherwise, a polyurethane film with a thickness of 0.006 of an inch with taped joints is also acceptable. Make sure the walls, openings, fixed objects, and joints are identified. Use spray paint and different colors. Avoid using solvent-based paint so you don't melt the styrofoam. Don't forget that finished walls can have different thicknesses, especially exterior walls and support walls. Have them traced by the general contractor. Contact the general contractor and subcontractors and tell them about the presence of heating cables and the precautions to take. Concrete must be poured using only a pump and not a wheelbarrow. Ask that the cables be protected from the pipe joints of the pump. The best way is to use a plywood glued to a styrofoam. The plywood will be able to resist the joint movements while the styrofoam will absorb the impacts. No hooks, no shovels, no rakes with their teeth turned downwards. When the mats or cables are being installed, work being done to the steel mesh should already be done. If corrections are required, then the mats or cables should be protected.